Hello everyone, this is Lam here. Thank you for coming to my channel and watching this video. Today I'm going to do a swipe with these colors. And I have some blues and some violets and red and gold. And I'm going to separate them into cools and warms. The cools are the blues and the warms are the purples and red and gold. They're about equal numbers of shades. So I'm going to put the warms on the top half of the canvas and the cools on the bottom half of the canvas. And then my swipe colors are going to be the deep violet and metallic white. And I am mixing these different from the rest of the mix because I talk it over with Heather. You see, in my last swipe video, I did the swipe by section and I didn't get many cell actions at all. And what we've decided is that my pouring medium mix, which is Mod Podge plus Floetrol plus the JC 800, is wonderful for flip cups and many other techniques because it holds the paints together. However, because the Mod Podge produces such high surface tension that it is virtually impossible for me to get any cells when I do a swipe with it. So today, my swipe colors, I'm only mixing them with Floetrol and nothing else. So we'll see how that goes. Okay, here for the top half of the canvas, I am putting down my metallic purple and then my prism violet, some plum color, some metallic red. Now here comes the golds. And I am speeding up this pretty much this whole video because for me to do swipes, I always do it so slowly. Okay, now here's the blue. This is ultramarine blue. And then some more. And I think there's peacock there. See, I don't even remember what colors I used, but they're on the list and they just a variety of different shades of blue. Okay, so I tilt it a little bit. Okay, I'm going to swipe the bottom half first. So I'm using my metallic white, which is only mixed with Floetrol. Okay, and I am preparing a damp paper towel. Today I'm trying to swipe fast, so I'm not going to do sections. I'm just going to swipe it. Okay, this is a wet paper towel. I don't see anything happening. Okay, so flip it over and do the deep violet. And this is also mixed thin with only Floetrol and water. And this time I'm going to use a dry paper towel. I'm not going to wet it. So let's see. Yep, that works a lot better. I'm actually getting cells, except that one section is still a lot better than before. So I'm going to try the white once more with a dry paper towel, see if that makes any difference. Still not much going on here. I guess this metallic white is just not a good swipe color. So I'm going to just drag the deep purple down. well, I guess this side doesn't work. So this wipe is not going very good. Now what can I do to doctor it up? So I started putting some metallic white down, just drizzling randomly, and then some gold. Now here's some red. It's the bottom of the cup. I'm trying to scrape the last drop of it. And some of the pink. Some of the purple, metallic. Okay, my trusty balloon. Yeah, put more color back there that the balloon wiped out. Okay, do it again. Better this time, but still needs more work. See, sometimes I need to go over the same section 2, 3, 4, 5 times just to get in shape. Now I take out my bamboo stick and start drawing some lines. Yes, because I recently saw many of Gil Burston's work, Live in Splatter, or Live on Splatter, that's her channel, and she does the most beautiful swipes, and she likes to use the bamboo stick or the pilot knife to drag some of the cells along to make designs, and I think that's really gorgeous. So I was trying that for a little bit, and then I put down more white and do the balloon again. Right, it is starting to look like something. Okay, gotta add more colors there. That's getting more like it. Just slowly add bits of color and then do it again. Yeah, I keep using my fingers to define the shapes of the flowers. Because sometimes with the balloon smash, it leaves a solid round outline, and I don't like things to be too solid or too round, so I use my finger to drag the outlines in to make some corners and some dips. Okay, so I'm adding more color. I'm trying to make the flower bigger because I am pretty timid. I usually start out small, and if things are going well, then I make it bigger, because my goal is to not to disturb those beautiful gold cells up there. I want to save as many of them as possible, but still I want good portion of this to be the flower. I don't want the flowers to be too small, then it just looks too small. Okay, bamboo stick again. And some of the sections have some very pretty pink and gold colors underneath that I can drag out. And here I'm using the pilot knife. Again, I am trying not to disturb the upper half of the canvas too much because those cells are so pretty. Okay, so the flowers look good, and I'm trying to see, put upside down to see if it looks better that way. No, it doesn't. But the bottom half looks so empty. There's no cells and nothing going on. So I need to do something about that. So I take the palette knife and try to do some smears. And doesn't look too good to me. So what to do next? Well, I get some strings. And pull. Doesn't look too bad. See, I'm lucky that there is some blue-green, like aqua color down there that could serve as leaf colors. Because it doesn't have to be perfectly green as long as there's contrast, and that blue-green contrast with the purple that would make us register that as green. So okay, that is good. I can make some leaves to the flower and the bottom half so that it doesn't look too empty and too out of place. Okay, now it's time to fuzz with the middle of the flower. Now, to me, the middle of the flower is particularly important. It is the natural focal point, and if we can get the middle right, then the whole flower comes alive. That's how I feel, so I always try to add color and gold, sometimes white, to the flower, just add contrast. And then I dip with my finger, with my pinky, because you don't need a lot, you just need a little bit. Okay, some deep purple and some gold, and dip some more. Okay, so the painting is done, and my phone actually stopped recording. Now here is a close-up shot. Look how pretty the flowers. I'm quite happy with how it turned out, even though the swipe itself was kind of a mess, but the flowers are just beautiful. And the colors, look at the pink and gold cells. They are so bright. I'm so happy that I saved the swipe. You know, the problem for me with swipes is that I never knew what to do with them. Even if they came out, and how can I make it special? I never knew what to do with swipes, but this one, even though the swipe itself didn't come out so well, the overall composition turned out perfect. And this is the dry result. Look, it dried perfectly. All the colors remain vibrant. This painting was actually sold before it was dry. Now here is the dry result of the bloom and shockwave. and it is now available in my Etsy shop. Look how beautiful the colors turn out. And here is a string pole piece that I did a couple of weeks earlier. And look at the design. I love how the colors work together. And this is a ring pour with cupping. And all these pieces are available in my Etsy shop. The link is in the description box. And look at these two. Remember, one of them was my collaboration piece with Heather, and the other one is a pour that I did the next day. Two different pours, but they turn out so perfect they can actually go together as a diptych. How did it happen? I don't know. It's divine intervention. Anyway, thank you very much for letting me share my art with you. If you like this video, please comment and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Take care and be safe.